Next, difference between two perfect cubes is 189. If the cube root of the smaller of the two numbers is 3, find the cube root of the larger number. Here, difference between two perfect cubes is 189. So, let the smaller cube be x cube. Okay. If the cube root of smaller of the two is 3, so smaller cube is x cube. So bigger cube is what? X cube plus 3 plus 189. Why? Because cube difference between the smaller and the bigger one cube is 189. So bigger cube equals to smaller plus 189. Okay. Now if x equals to 3, because smaller cube is what? Cube root of the smaller one is 3. So this x equals to 3. Therefore it becomes 3 cube, right? So smaller cube equals to x cube, that is 3 cube, that is 27. Okay. Now this is 27. So bigger cube is what? 27 plus 189, right? That is 216. So find the cube root of the larger number. So this is the larger number. Cube root of 216 is 6. 6 6 is 36. 36 6 is 216. That's why I say learn cubes up to 15, squares up to 30 and tables up to 30 by heart. Next, state true or false. Cube root of 117.649